You told me that you need some closure, you said come over. I don't need to take no Uber, I drive a Rover. Tryna bribe me with a bag, wait, nigga, hold up. If you ever try to play me, nigga.
Hey guys, it's your girl Simply China. I am back with another video. Today is gonna be a Valentine's Day tutorial. It's going to be bomb. As you can see, I basically just prepped my face. I have it cleaned, and I didn't put anything on it. I didn't even do my brows. I'm doing a collab with this video with Cake Face Addict. She's bomb. I'm gonna put all her information down below, and we're doing a collab. Her full name is Cake Face Addiction, but she also has a bomb Instagram, bomb YouTube channel, and if you want, you can check her out with all the links I provide down below. You can Google, look her up, Cake Face Addict on YouTube, and her Instagram name as well. So now I'm gonna get into today's look. I'm gonna be doing something crazy because I really don't know what I'm doing, and I'm not really using a big mirror. I'm only using my Anastasia mirror, so I hope it comes out the way I like it. But let's just get into it. Use the gel. This is the e.l.f. double-sided mascara and eyebrow gel. So this part, just going to make sure my hairs are up the way I like it. And the reason why I do this step is because on Valentine's Day I like my strokes to show a little bit more on my brows, because I feel like when you fill in your brows and you have hair strokes, I feel like it looks more natural. I'm gonna sharpen this pencil real quick because it's kind of dull. That's the one thing I do love with having like these little double-sided like pencil sharpener eyebrow pencils, like how it comes with the sharpener. It's just easier. So I'm gonna fill it in. I'm using, I don't even know what brand it is. Oh, this is Ruby Kisses Go Brow, and I believe this is in the color Rich Chocolate Brown. So the reason why I'm using this is because normally I would pick a darker brown. I'll be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in chocolate, which is slightly darker. The reason why I'm using this brown is because of the blonde hair. So if you have blonde hair, this would be a really nice tutorial for you. And I just follow the strokes of my brows. As you can see, this pencil lightens up the brow hair slightly. So when you have blonde hair, you want to have something that can lighten up your brows a bit. You don't want it too harsh. So I'll probably fast forward this part and come back with it fully done. I fast forward over me doing my brows, so this is like how I get it to look. And then I'm gonna apply from my MAC concealer palette. I'm gonna apply this one here. I forgot what shade it is, but I think it's NC45. Yeah. And I'm going to apply that with a flat brush. And the reason why is because it adds a little bit more depth, but I'm only gonna apply it to the bottom of my brow. There, so you can see I'm applying to the. I'm gonna apply it to the bottom of my brow. So we're gonna start off with the this is the e.l.f. Opposites Attract palette. Just with it, setting powder. And I'm gonna apply it on top of the whole chin and brow area. I'm gonna use Saucy, which is this color. I'm gonna hit over to my main palette, which is gonna be the Morphe palette. This is the Boss palette, which is that one right there, Red Carpet. So I'm gonna probably just say the names because picking this up is gonna be kind of crazy all the time. So I'm just gonna apply this to the top over those colors that we applied earlier. Shade. Just gonna apply it there. Sometimes I'll take the access and there we go, like that. Okay, so something like that. I'm gonna take that same little blending brush and I'm gonna use a nice black, okay, and we're gonna just pop it here in this corner. And that's the reason why I didn't really care too much about, you know, adding concealer here, because I knew I was just gonna use black and kind of defeat the purpose. But yeah, that's the color. You'll see how pretty this is. Like, it's so bomb. It's like very iridescent, but it's subtle. I'm actually probably gonna go back and get more, because I have it in this color and then I have it in blue. And the blue is stunning. So I always just put a little bit of that, because this is kind of like my glitter. Because I feel like once you already have a not crazy eye, but like a dramatic eye, you don't need to apply like chunky glitter, especially like on Valentine's Day. I wouldn't say you want it to be always natural, but you know, you want it to be more on the natural side. So I'm just gonna create the eye look the way I want it. It's open. That's how I want the look. Slightly slanted, like giving you a cutoff here, like that. And then I did the same thing on the other eye. Okay, and you see it's not as crazy like it looks on Valentine's Day. So now we're gonna take that vivid color and we're going to put this on top of that line. So the reason why is to make a nice red like line follow right there, and then we're gonna put another one right here. guess like pink and my teared up a green champagne color. I'm just gonna put some of the Glow Prime stick from e.l.f. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah. So this is a really bomb product. I think it has like aloe. It has cocoa butter and shea butter in it. So your face feels really nice. I love full thick lashes. That's just me. You don't have to use something this thick, and you don't have to use something this full. You can use something a little bit more subtle. Just depends on your style. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the face. I'm gonna be using the Lancome, I think this is the Skin Feel Good Hydrating Tint. This is a lot darker than my foundation, which is my Fenty Foundation in the color 390. I'm only putting this in certain places. So I'm gonna put my foundation on first, and then I'm gonna put that tinted moisturizer on when I wanna, like in the areas I would want it to be like semi-contoured, that kind of thing. Beauty blender, and apply it over the face. I already have the beauty blender damped. I have just washed it, so just make sure you have your beauty blender damped. I'm going to flip over and like here that are the dark spot areas that I want to apply. Let me see. The tinted moisturizer too. So we're just gonna, that's good. You see it? It brings it out a bit. Because this is like supposed to be my summer, like I don't really wear foundation in the summer, so this is more so like my summer shade. So I in the winter time, this is a no. So that's why it looks like a nice little bronzy highlight. And I just put that, the reason why I'm putting that there is because I'm gonna put bronzer on anyway, because I like to put bronzer on instead of contouring, like with harsh contour. I'm gonna apply a good amount of this, because underneath my eyes I like it to be fully covered. Good amount. Once you let it sit and you have it warmed up, it just looks, you get more coverage. So being that I had it, you know, sitting, I'm gonna blend it out now, and you'll see like you get more coverage when the product is warmed up to your face. On the places I need, so by the under eye, on the nose, right here, right here, right? Let me zoom in so you can see that. So I let it sit like that, right? Then I'm just gonna take my brush. I don't let it bake too long, to be honest with you, because it's already like a lot going on. Using Hustle Baby, and I'm just gonna apply right here. Look at that. Just make sure you blend it out, because a lot of people just let their highlighter sit, and I always put it here and then pull it in to my cheeks. I don't put it on my cheeks. I just feel like it looks too harsh, so I just put it there. Bring it up, and then you put a little bit on the nose here, and you are good to go. And then I'm using Patrick Starr's MAC lipstick in Spank Me Santa. I love this lipstick. It's my favorite from his holiday collection. And this is what I use on my lip. And this is the final look, you guys. So yeah, I love it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. This is the Valentine's Day makeup look that I did. Please thumbs up this video. Don't forget to share. I hope you guys enjoy and have a very nice Valentine's Day. As you can see, I didn't highlight my brow. I kept like over here very like a natural dewy. I feel like it calms the face down a bit. So just if you guys are wondering, because you know I love putting a little bit of highlight underneath that brow, like it's just in my nature. But when I'm doing certain looks or if I'm going certain places, I try to tone it down a bit. So I just keep the highlight kind of over here, and you see those eyes, it's already like popping out like highlight there. So yeah, this is the final look, like I said, and thank you guys for watching again. Bye.